Okay guys, 30 km done and I'm freaking starving. Whew. Tara, FT tayo guys, FT. Food trip. Parang I'm craving for burger. Gutom na ako. Kumukulo na yung tiyan ko. Deserve naman guys, 30 km eh. Malapit lang tong kakainan ko, sa may Mall lang siya. Tapat ng main road. Ang dami kong gustong kainin ah. NANI?! Daming tao. Look guys. Tapat lang siya ng main road. Hopefully di mawala yung bike ko.
Thank you sir, with price on the side.
Thank you. Boom. Thank you. Look how big it is guys. Deserve. Let's eat guys. Ang laki. Price muna. Look how big. Medyo kalat lang kainin. Pero ang sarap guys, legit. The best burger dito sa Boracay guys, for me. Last bite. Sarap. 10 out of 10. Sarap. Bye guys.